Hello, math maniacs. Let's go all the way back to Algebra 1 when you were just little bitty freshmen and look at the parts of an equation. And that's what we're going to do here. We have the equation y equals 7x plus 25. We know that that is a linear equation because it is in the form y equals mx plus b. And it gives the number of minutes it takes to prepare a meal. So number of minutes is y, given the number of people being served, which is x. So which statement is true? Well, let's take just a minute and let's break down this equation a little bit. They tell us that y is the number of minutes, how long it takes to prepare the meal. All right, we know that 7 is the slope, and that equals 7 over 1. X, they tell us, is the number of people. And 25 is the y-intercept. So if we think about, they want to know what's going on here. And so I'm going to zero in on the slope here. I think the slope is going to give us the best picture here. All right, the slope is rise over run. Okay, remember that slope is rise over run. And another way to say rise over run, you might remember, is the change in y over the change in x. So what that means is, as the minutes change, the number of people changes. Okay, y over x. So here, what that's saying is every time we add a person, we multiply by 7. So if we have one person, it takes 7 minutes plus 25. If we have 2 people, it takes 2 times 7 plus 25. If we had 3 people, it would be 3 times 7 plus 25. So in other words, it takes 7 minutes longer every time we add another person. So let's look at that. Here, let's look at this one here. For every extra person, remember that's x, for every extra person, the time it takes to prepare the meal increases by 7 minutes. And we were able to tell that story by looking at the slope of this line.